Good afternoon, my dear teachers and my friends. So today I'm going to do an experiment named chemical change. For that I took a cup, a glove, lemon juice and baking powder. So first we'll pour the lemon juice inside the cup and then we'll put some baking soda inside our glove. So now we have to put the baking powder inside the cup. So now we'll twist this up and put it inside this, do this, and then let it fall. As you can see, it has started putting on because when I put it inside, then there were no reaction. So now there's a reaction. It has got some air over here. So let's wait for some time. So now as you all can see that the balloon is already popped up. Sorry, not balloon. The glove, it is like the carbon dioxide inside. So this was the experiment named the chemical change. Thank you.
Hi everyone, today I am going to do chemistry experiment. Baking soda and vinegar. When these two compounds will mix, they'll form an element named carbon dioxide, which is also a gas. So let's just see how it begins. I'll take some vinegar. And then I'll take 3 spoons of baking soda in this glove. Put the gloves like this in this container. We can see the glove has risen like this. That means the carbon dioxide has fully come up. It has become a full pressure. I think I can't hold it anymore. Yeah, now it's okay. It has lots of pressure inside it. Thank you, and this is all about my experience.
Good morning, teachers. Today, Anuman Kumar is going to perform an activity. So, we need a balloon, we need some balloons, funnel, can, spoon, baking soda and vinegar. Now, let us start. We need to put a balloon to the funnel somewhat like this. Now we need to take some baking soda. Now we need to pour it in the funnel like this. We need to take just 2 spoons, not more than that. It has got mixed up. Now let's pour some vinegar inside. Need to do a hole. Now I've made a hole. Now let's pour it in the can. Finish. Now the balloon, we need to put the balloon like this. And now, see, this is carbon dioxide. See, after the mixture of baking soda and vinegar, if we mix it, then the carbon dioxide is reduced. See, all the baking soda has settled down and the vinegar is at the top. Thank you.